Hello, students. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, and today I am back with the summary of the chapter The Enemy. You know very well, this is a lengthy chapter, so we'll study the summary of this chapter. We'll try to finish the summary in one video lecture. Let's begin the summary of this chapter. Before that, I would like to remind you about the characters in this story. First of all, Sadao. There is a character whose name is Sadao. Then Hana, his wife, Sadao's father, whose concern was main concern was his son's study, higher study in America. Then General Takima. And above all, there is a prisoner of war, POW, whose name is Tom. What is his name? Tom. Some other important characters are also there. Yumi is the maid, old gardener, and the cook. These are other important characters. So let's begin the summary. The story is written with the backdrop of the Second World War. When it is written, this story is written with the backdrop of the Second World War. Second World War had just finished after 1945. It brings out the sad plight of a prisoner. It brings out the plight of a prisoner, the suffering of a prisoner of war, and also deals with the conflict that a doctor couple faces because of sheltering an enemy. The decision was very difficult for Sadao and Hana to keep that prisoner of war in their house. But they did. Once they decided to do, they kept him into their house. They treated him well. Hana herself fed him. And when he became well, Sadao secretly made him escape from Japan. Dr. Sadao, a Japanese surgeon, finds a wounded American soldier. Now the story begins. Dr. Sadao, a Japanese surgeon who went to America when he was only 22 years old, after getting his education in America, having lots of problems there, racist prejudice he faced. But when he returned after 8 years, he was famous as a surgeon as well as a scientist. He finds a wounded American soldier on the beach near his house. His house was on the beach, the only house it was. He is unable to throw him back, though he was his enemy. At first, he wanted to throw him back into the sea because he was his enemy. He was from US Navy, and there was enmity between Japan and USA. As he was a doctor, and his first duty was to save a life, he thought his duty was to save a life. That is why he did not throw him into the sea once again. Hana, his wife, though initially reluctant, unwilling, because it was dangerous for all, including the children, to keep the enemy in the house. It was not safe for them at all. So she was reluctant, unwilling to keep him inside the house. But ultimately, She joins her husband in operating and nursing the enemy soldier back to health. She fed Tom, the white man, the prisoner of war. She helped with anesthetic while Sadao was performing the operation. Sadao pulls the bullet out that was near the kidney of that man. Even though the servants deserted the house, the servants deserted the house. All the servants went away. After some days, Hannah and Sadao, along with two little children, left in the house. Hannah had to do her household works, although she was not accustomed to, but she did whatever she could do. While Sadao was helping with the children, Hannah assists Dr. Sadao in operating the soldier in spite of her physical discomfort and agitation. Although she was feeling retching, vomiting, but she helped Dr. Sadao in the operation. How? With anesthesia, with anesthetic. Though it was wartime and all hands were needed at the front, because it was wartime and all hands were needed at the front at the border line. The general did not send Sadao with the troops as he is an expert surgeon and the general needed him because the general wanted him. The general was suffering. Sadao tells him about the enemy soldier, but he does not take any action. General Takima does not take any action. Why? Because he knew very well if Dr. Sadao gets punishment, he would be in great trouble because he was the only surgeon whom he believed. He was the only skilled surgeon in Japan, according to General Takima. As he is self absorbed and forgets his promise that he would send his private assassins to kill the enemy and remove his body. Although he promised to send two assassins, two private killers, but he did not send them. Taking advantage of the general's self absorption, Sadao decides to save the soldier. Sadao waited for 3 nights, but no one came. Ultimately, he decided to make the prisoner escape out of Japan. He arranged everything for that prisoner of war: a stout boat, water bottle, some eatables, two quilts, which he had bought from pawn shop. After the soldier is out of danger, Dr. Sadao helps him to escape from his house to safety. He gave him his only torchlight as well. Sadao realized he's spent time in America. He recalled his past time in America, the people he met. First of all, he remembered his teacher who taught him, Professor Harley, where he met his would be wife, Hannah. Although he did not want to go there because the room was very small, food was very bad, and Professor's wife was voluble, a talkative kind of woman. That is why he did not want to go there. But ultimately, he went there and found Hannah, his would be wife, and at once he decided to marry her if it was anyhow possible. Miss Harley, who hated him yet was kind to him. The Americans, with all their prejudices, Americans were full of prejudices towards Japanese, but some of them were very kind to them. He wondered why he could not kill Tom. He was in confusion. Why he could not kill Tom, the prisoner of war, although he was under his knife while he was operating him, the American prisoner of war. Now, the key points. Dr. Sadao, a Japanese surgeon, finds a wounded American soldier on the beach near his house. If you remember this line, you can easily describe the complete story. One day, Dr. Sadao was on his house. From veranda, he noticed frost was coming in, and there was a picture of a man emerged out of sea. He is unable to throw him back through. He is unable to throw him back, though he was his enemy, as he was a doctor. Because he was a doctor, he could not throw him back to the sea. Although that prisoner of war is enemy, and his first duty was to save a life. His duty was to save a life. And he did the same thing. He saved the life of that prisoner of war, Tom. Hannah, his wife, though initially reluctant. Initially, Hannah, his wife. What is the name of his wife? Hannah. Having two children. Hannah did not like that man. Both of them, first of all, both of them decided to throw him back, but no one moved to pick him and throw him into the sea. Ultimately, both of them decided to take him to their house, inside their house, and they took him to the house in the room that belonged to the father of Dr. Sadao. That was empty house since the father was dead, because it was dangerous for all, including the children, to keep the enemy in the house. Ultimately joins her husband in operating and nursing the enemy soldier back to health, even though the servants deserted the house. I told you, Yumi, old gardener, the cook, all went away. Yumi said that she had not washed a white man in entire life, and she was not going to wash anyone now at that time. So all of them decided to leave the place. Although while leaving, Yumi said, Hannah, if the baby missed her, she could call her. Hannah assists Dr. Sadao in operating the soldier in spite of her physical discomfort and agitation. Hannah assisted Dr. Sadao in operation. How? With the anesthetic. Hannah was told by Dr. Sadao to help him with anesthesia. How? She needed a cloth, a cotton, and she was required to soak the anesthesia. She was required to soak the anesthesia to that cotton and needed to put it near the nostrils of that prisoner of war. And what is the name of the prisoner of war? Tom. Although she was feeling retching, vomiting, she went out, but she returned. She was hating that man, but she was unable to speak why she fed him herself. Though it was war time and all hands were needed at the front. What time it was? It was war time. All hands were needed at front. Everyone was required at the border. But General did not send Sadao with the troops, as he is an expert surgeon. He knew very well he needed the general, needed Dr. Sadao, because he thought Dr. Sadao was the best surgeon available in Japan at that time, and he required an operation. He was suffering. That is why he did not send him with the troops. So thou tells him about the enemy soldier. So thou tells him everything about that prisoner of war, enemy soldier Tom. But he does not take any action. But General Takima did not take any action. Why? He knew very well if he took any action and Dr. Sadao got punishment, he would be in danger because he was suffering and he needed an operation. Ultimately, he needed an operation. He is self-absorbed. He is very selfish kind of man and forgets his promise that he would send his private assassins to kill the enemy and remove his body. Although he had promised Dr. Sadao to send two of his assassins to kill the prisoner of war, but he did not send them because he was selfish. He forget everything. Dr. Sadao waited 3 nights, but no one came, and now he decided to leave that prisoner of war to allow him to escape. He allowed him to escape. He arranged all those required things, taking advantage of the general's self absorption. So thou decides to save the soldier's life. He decided to save the life of the soldier. After the soldier is out of danger, after seventh day of the operation, Sadao examined everything and he found the scar was healing gradually. And at this point, he could be released. So he arranged everything for the prisoner of war. He gave his stout boat, bottled water, some eatables, two quilts from pawn shop, and his only flashlight which he used at night whenever he was called. So thou decides to save the soldier's life. After the soldier is out of danger, so thou helps him to escape from his house to safety. So thou helps him to escape from his house to safety. And in this way, he saved the life of the prisoner of war. Although he could not answer the question why he saved the life of that prisoner of war. Even Hana could not answer the question why she fed him, although she disliked that man. She watched him, although she disliked that man. He was the enemy of Japan, but they helped him because of the profession of a doctor. They forgot everything because they were doctors. That is why the place of doctor is beside God. Doctors are called similar to God. In this way, he saved and showed his superiority